In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print product labels from Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. First, select the correct database and open the main dashboard. Once you're in, choose the app that contains the products you want to print labels for. In this example, we'll use the Sales app, but the process is similar if your products are being accessed through other apps like Contacts or Inventory. After the Sales page opens, go to the Products tab, then click Products to open the full product list. When the list appears, make sure you are viewing it in List View. This is important because List View makes it much easier to select multiple products at once. If you are not already in List View, simply click the List View icon to switch over. Next, decide which products you want to print labels for. If you want to include every product currently shown on the page, use the Master checkbox at the top of the list. If you only need labels for certain items, you can check the individual boxes beside those specific products instead. This gives you flexibility, whether you're printing in bulk or only for a few selected items. Once your products are selected, click on Actions and then choose Print Labels. A pop-up window will appear with the label printing options. In this window, enter the number of copies you need. Be careful here, because the number of copies affects how many labels will be generated for each selected product. Then, choose the label format. The format determines the size and layout of the labels on the page, so pick the one that matches your label paper or printer setup. Some formats are better for smaller barcode labels, while others are more suitable for larger labels with additional product details. If you want the retail price to appear on the label, tick Print with Price. After that, choose the price list that Odoo should use. This matters because the price list controls which currency and pricing rules are applied to the printed label. In this example, the selected option is default in US dollars. Once everything has been reviewed, click Print. Odoo will take a moment to generate the file, so give it a few seconds. This part is important because it ensures the system prepares the labels based on your selected products, quantity, format, and pricing settings. When the file is ready, open it and review the labels carefully before sending them to your printer. This final check helps you catch any issues with layout, quantities, or pricing before using physical label sheets. And that's it. You now know how to print product labels from Odoo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.